Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Hyundai Genesis. 2013 Hyundai Genesis 3.8, drive on clouds, cruise in style. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.8-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai is a great value with less than 16,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Looking for a ride that's as smooth as butter and as reliable as your best friend? Look no further than the 2013 Hyundai Genesis 3.8, the car that will make you feel like you're cruising on a cloud. With a powerful V6 3.8L engine, this baby is ready to take on the open road and leave all your worries behind. This car comes with all the factory features you could ask for, including power windows, locks, and mirrors, a premium audio system, and heated front seats. The tan leather interior is like sitting on a cloud made of puppies. The exterior is a crisp white that will turn heads as you cruise down the street. With only 16,000 miles on the odometer, this car has been gently loved and cared for, averaging less than 2,000 miles per year. It's in excellent overall condition, so you can feel confident that you're getting a car that's as reliable as it is stylish. And it comes with a clean CARFAX report. No skeletons in this car's closet, just pure, unadulterated awesomeness. Come